What is worship without you? Make up. Who am I without you? What a love you love me over. You deserve the worship over. You deserve my praise, my love. You say. One more.